Video mapping is the process of creating digital content that's going to integrate completely with some sort of three-dimensional real-world object, whether it's a chair or a car, or in this case, it was a 76-foot wide stage that we had built for pilot Freightliners.
How cool of a process it is, not just to create the digital content, but also the physical structure that the content is going to interact with. The fabricators, video mapping engineer, the design and motion graphics team, all working from the same 3D CAD file.
So everything's united, and that's really the bridge between our two worlds. It allows us to dream up anything we want inside of the 3D animating software and deliver it into reality onto the fabricated set.
We wanted a set to afford us the flexibility to create illusion throughout the event.
So we're able to portray that an inanimate object is actually animated.
It's a challenge, and it's tough to convince the client that this 76-foot set could morph and change, and sometimes appearing as a wall of shipping crates, a truck traveling through a mountainside, an ambient backdrop. It's an extremely flexible content delivery system.
We have to design a system that not only fulfills our creative needs and makes everything look the way we want it to look, but it needs to actually be able to format correctly with the physical fabricated stage. And I think that's one of the biggest hidden challenges. One of our main goals in this project was to create an experience so that the audience felt like they were inside of it and immersed inside of the technology, inside of the story, really inside of the entire show.
Our initial concepting phase doesn't start with considering the limitations that the technology is going to impose. We come up with a design, and then we figure out how to implement it. The relationship between the designer and the engineer, and also the designer and the technology, whether it's for video mapping, mobile apps, interactive installations, and so forth, that relationship is crucial to the success of a project. This was a small team working on a big project. 2 designers, video mapping engineer, motion graphics animator, and a musician composer.
So it's really the culmination of a lot of experience and a lot of specialities coming together to deliver a project that's so multifaceted and envelops so many different mediums, and creating a product that is not just all those, but is perfect for the client.